In this example, we're going to solve by completing the square. The first step when you're solving by completing the square is going to be getting this number over to the right side. We'll add it to both sides in order to do that. Now notice here that we have a coefficient other than 1 in front of our x squared term. In order for us to solve by completing the square, we must get rid of that. We must eliminate that number there. So to eliminate it, we're going to divide everything by 2. Now the next step is take the middle term, or the coefficient of the x term, divide it by 2. This is the same thing as multiplying by 1/2. Now square the number you found in the first step. This number is what you're going to add to both sides. Here I have shown that step. Now the next step is to factor the left side. Now what happens is the left side factors into x, whatever that sign is here, minus, and remember the number that we found in our first step? All squared. So again, this is the number that we found in our first step. The sign comes directly from whatever that sign is here. Equals. Let's go ahead and combine these two together. 3/2 is the same thing as 24 over 16. 24 plus 25 is 49 all over 16. Now we're going to solve for x by taking the square root of both sides. This will eliminate that square. The square root of 49 is 7. The square root of 16 is 4. And remember, when you're dealing with completing the square, you have to have a positive and a negative answer for your square root of that number. So we'll have two solutions. One that's a positive 7/4 over here, and one that's a negative 7/4. Add 5/4 to both sides. So we find that x equals 12/4, which is also equal to 3, and x is equal to negative 2/4, which is also equal to negative 1/2. And this is my final answer.